veggie curry. Yum, yum, yum. Nice and, well, not spicy. Nice and mild actually for the kids. You don't mind a bit of spice though, do you?
Nah.
Nah, she's alright. A little bit. The good thing about this curry is you can make it hidden veg. So if you've got children that don't like to have chunky vegetables in their food, then I'll show you the vegetables and we can stick them in and they won't even know them there. So yeah, make a nice curry. And what's your favourite part about the curry?
That it's nice and sometimes a bit spicy.
Sometimes a bit spicy, yeah, yum. But yeah, we're going to do a mild one today, so it won't be spicy today. Alright? So are you gonna tell the guys?
Let's get cooking.
Let's get cooking!
Everybody. Hello everybody.
We got Fox today too. He's going to help out with the curry. So
yeah.
It's all finished. So what we're going to do
is what?
We're going to bring this over here.
I just fall.
That's alright. Right, you don't touch that. It's really hot. Okay. So Foxy, can you pour that in? What is that?
Oh no!
Not literally pour it in.
Stop it! At least that's going in there.
Yeah, I guess so. Let's put that in the sink. Right. Yeah, right. Give it a mix. Give it a mix.
That's crazy. This is not how we planned.
That's not how we planned it. No.
It's a soup.
Is it soup? No, this is a curry.
We didn't plan for tipping the coconut milk into
the whole
the
thing.
soup.
No, we didn't.
No more mixing.
No more mixing. Right, so Amelie can put. So we're going to do it in two parts. So we're going to have that for the grown-ups, and the kids like to have it all mashed up. So Amelie's going to do that bit. One. This is the hidden veg curry sauce. So get lots of veg in there. Good girl.
What does it sound?
Or maybe one more. You guys might have a bit more sauce than that. That's it. Perfect. Great. Good job. Right, and then bring it over here. I'll just give it a little whizzy whizzy.
What's whizzy whizzy?
Ready? It's loud. There's our curry sauce.
Whoa!
Right, so let me take this away. Okay, we're going to dish up.
Yes.
Should we dish up? Let's get a dish.
What's the dish?
What's a dish, you silly bean? One of them.
What are they for?
So these are our chicken breasts.
Oh, chicken breasts.
Don't touch it, it's really hot. So we're just going to slice up one or two of those.
Oh. Mum, what are those? Milk?
Yes, coconut milk.
We want like that.
Right, Amelie, can you slice that for me?
I have a knife.
Yeah, you do. That's it. So nice thin slices like that.
Slices?
Slices, yeah. You betcha. And then, Fox, you can do the rice, okay?
What's the rice?
The rice is what we're going to eat it with. So
I think I know. I
you
know.
know what rice is, do you?
Yeah.
Great.
It's white.
It's right.
And that.
So there's our rice. Don't touch that pan. It's very hot, okay?
I want to stick.
Yeah, you
Hot.
can touch the handle, yeah.
What do I
Put that in there.
do? That in there.
Yep.
Now what do I do?
Put a little bit more in there. How much rice do you want to eat?
I don't.
Perfect.
Yeah, that
All
one.
right, that much.
Wow, you're doing a great job.
She is doing a great job. Well done, Amelie.
What else can I do?
Well then, in a second, you can pour some of that on. So put all of these ones in there for me.
Just done.
Just those, yeah. That's it.
Me.
And that last one there.
No, I don't.
And then you're going to pour some of the sauce on there. Okay, just on that bit. So pour it over there. That's it. Yummy, 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 yummy. Great. Well done.
What's that do?
That's it. It's done. So we're going to tell everybody.
But what are we going to have to know?
Nothing really. They're just spare.
It's finally done.
It's finally
We
done.
can eat
There
them.
we are. So
Can we eat them?
there's our curry. And we're going to serve it just with a little bit of cucumber and some natural yogurt. So yeah.
But oh, look at these.
That's coconut milk, leftover coconut milk. We didn't need it all. Did we?
I'm drinking them.
You can't drink it, no. Not right now, anyway.
Where? Tinsel?
What for? We can do that. But oi!
What? Stop eating it. Where did you just eat? That.
That. Right. Well done, everybody.
Bye.